Millions of ways to make good money, but too many of us still don't make enough. Why? Well, it's because knowing how to make money isn't the most important thing. You see, financial success starts in the mind. Early childhood programming creates a certain predisposition for the way we think about money. A certain program, limiting belief, puts a box around specific aspects of our lives, in this case, money. And no matter how hard we try, we can't knock down the walls until we change the mental program, that limiting belief. To start making more money than you're making now, you will need to learn how to replace your beliefs about money. It's a 3-step process. Let's do it. The first step is identifying any limiting beliefs you have about money. Start by writing down all beliefs you have about money. Then identify the beliefs that don't support your conscious dreams and desires. Jack Canfield, the author of a book called The Success Principles, has discovered that there are 4 common types of limiting money beliefs. Many people have an identity that is linked to a certain income. If your family was poor, you may have difficulty identifying yourself as wealthy. Most people grow up with attitudes about people who have money, and often these beliefs are not positive. For example, you might believe that rich people are greedy, or rich people care only about themselves. Many people believe that money is not spiritual. It's not surprising because many societal and religious messages link spirituality with poverty. If you have low self-esteem, you may not feel that you deserve to make or receive more money. You may feel that there are people who need the money more, and if you get it, you will be taking from them. Or you may feel that if you have lost money in the past, you don't deserve to get more because you will waste it. The subconscious mind's job is to keep us safe. Limiting beliefs arise as a way to protect us. The beliefs that don't support your conscious dreams and desires might be these. For example, money doesn't grow on trees. There's not enough money to go around. It's selfish to want a lot of money. You have to have money to make money. The rich get richer and the poor get poorer. You have to work too hard to get money. Money is the root of all evil. People with money are evil, selfish, and unethical. Rich people are greedy and dishonest. You can't buy happiness. The more money you have, the more problems you have. If you are rich, you can't be spiritual. Now that you have listed your limiting beliefs, all of these messages can actually dilute your later financial success because they subconsciously emit a vibration that can cancel out your conscious intentions. We make all these excuses that act as a psychological muscle. It holds us back and will continue holding us back if we don't release the brakes. The second step is to challenge your limiting beliefs, make fun of them, and argue with them. You can do that by using brainstorming method and finding new beliefs that challenge those limiting beliefs. For example, you can transform your limiting beliefs with these new beliefs. Money is the root of all philanthropy. Money is the source of great vacations. Money might be the root of evil for someone who is evil, and I am loving, generous, kind, and nice person, and etc. Remember this, the more you get angry on those old beliefs and the more you make fun of them, the bigger the changes will happen in your consciousness. You can even write out your new money beliefs on small index cards and add them to your stack of affirmations to be read out loud with enthusiasm and passion every day. The third step is to create positive turnaround statements. Create new statements that are the opposite of the original limiting beliefs. For example, when it comes to me, money is the root of love, joy, and good works. Say statements like this out loud with enthusiasm and passion several times a day for at least 30 days, and this belief will become part of your money mindset forever. In addition to clearing the limiting beliefs you have about money, go ahead and find your why. When you have a compelling reason behind an action you're taking or goal you're pursuing, you're much more motivated to take action. Create a list of reasons why you want to have the amount of money you have set as your goal. Is it so that you can afford a certain house in a certain area? Is it because you want to contribute money to good causes? Is it because you want to create a certain type of lifestyle? Create a list of what you would like to do with your money. Notice what thoughts or emotions come up for you. If you are shying away from things you want because of feelings of guilt, unworthiness, or inability to receive them, you will sabotage your success. Use these negative emotions as important clues about additional limiting money beliefs that you will want to clear. Keep in mind that if you want to start making more money, it's important to visualize it daily as if you already have it. Just remember that there can't be any progress without change. So what do you want? To keep listening to those limiting beliefs and always have shortage of money? Or to replace those limiting beliefs and start making more money? Choice is yours, my friend. Today's the day you can begin to practice those 3 steps to uncover the beliefs that are keeping you stuck so that you can change your results and finally enjoy the wealth you deserve. Or you can continue to let the limiting beliefs keep you stuck and feel that pain of regret of not making more money. My friends, thank you for watching this video. What's the most valuable thing that you have learned from this video? Comment below and make sure you subscribe now, because this channel is all about how to remove what's holding you back and let you break through in life. If you want to know more about your limiting beliefs and how to transform them into empowering beliefs, then go ahead and check my recommended reading list. It's in the description below this video, because you will find there some amazing books that can help you get closer to your dreams and goals. Hey, I'm glad that you have found me. Let's get what we want in life. I'll speak with you in the next video.